Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Let's Play CONMEBOL Libertadores Event Challenge in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So there are new challenge here in EA Sport FC Mobile 24 CONMEBOL Libertadores live event. This one. So you can play this live event. So this event contain South American and Central American league. For example, the player also like Palmeiras, Boca Junior, and many more. And also there are some challenge, some event that you can join to get ton of reward from this game. Before we start, I made this video is for new player that are still confused how you can complete the mission, complete the quest, and get ton of rewards from it. Let's get back. I want to show you this one. Tap play, tap live event, tap challenge mode, and this one. The first one, CONMEBOL Libertadores event challenge. There are no condition. Let's get back. There are two events here. Also this one. No requirement. You can challenge both of this event. This one. So you can play. You can challenge this event, and in the final you can get content and item or own or and 80% of our CONMEBOL Libertadores event best icon or hero player. So challenge yourself in this event. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.